Hello friends, this is Solav. And you are watching Carpe Diem YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Today I am show you how to download totally free and open source advanced video editing software called Shortcut. No activation required on any payment required with lots of features. Let's begin. Open any browser and type https://shortcut.org/download to go on download page of Shortcut. Link is also on description. You can simply click there and go to download page. Click on red text, click to download. You will be directed to next page where you can select installation type. If you want potable version you can choose that, otherwise click above link. Setup file will automatically start to download. After download is completed, open that file and start installation process. You can also tick create icon on desktop if you want.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side.
Open Shortcut after installation completed.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
When you open first time you can see this type of interface. At left side we can see box which is for importing media files. In middle we are asked to open our project. We can click to new and start our new project. Let's import some of our video clip to our media box. This much for today, and I will come how to edit video with Shortcut in next tutorial. Thank you for watching.